Hello everyone, today is a great honor to be here to make a brief introduction about our product. Water pump is a great demand for most of family used products, so in today's introduction, I would like to show you the application, the appearance, and the features of this product. First of all, let's talk about the application. When you live in high floor, you will find that the water does not come so sharply and smoothly when you use it, but with this water pump, your problem will be well solved. Water pump can solve many problems caused by water supply, like take shower, washing dishes, and so on. So for water pump, it is indeed a very good tool for family. And next one, let's talk about the appearance. And you can see the parts. This part, it is the pump body. It is made of the cast iron, and this part, it is the motor casing made of aluminum alloy. And this part, it is the fan cover, also made of cast iron. But we also have the cheaper configuration, the aluminum ones. And inside the motor casing, that is the motor part, which consists of stator and the rotor. For the wire we used for the stator, we also have two options: aluminum wire and copper wire. And of course, copper wire is better than aluminum wire, but if you need cheaper ones, you can choose the aluminum wire. We can always produce pumps, all according to your own requirement. And for the model of this pump, it is called QB model, which is a very popular model all around the world, especially in the South American market. It is also called vortex pump. So for this pump, it is small in size and easy to take. So the advantage for this pump, it is easier for users for the later maintenance when they use it. And for the performance of this pump, as you can see, it will not be so large. For example, under the half horsepower, the max head is about 35 meters and the max flow is about 35 liters per minute. And for 1 horsepower, the max head is about 50 meters and the flow is about 50 liters per minute. And that is all about our today's introduction. I hope my words have provided you with a good understanding about our product. And if you have any questions about our product, you can just leave us a message. And thank you very much.